Welcome back to the Train Expert channel. We are in Meadville, Pennsylvania. Got a grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Really short grain hopper it is. And there's a stop. There comes engine number 432 on the end. And there you go, there's the end. No, this is Western New York. We just ended the OC&Ts about couple hours ago, and now this is the first OC&T, or should be first Western New York indeed, in a couple of months. So, alright, we're gonna get off. We'll get back on with the next. Talk to you later.